I've done way too much. This is literally not how I do my brows, like at all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be talking about the Glossier Boy Brow. If you have been interested in the Boy Brow, you want to try it out, you just like watching these reviews, because I do know that there are literally 1,000,001 review videos out there already. I'm just literally the last person to use and review the Boy Brow. But if you're still interested, I hope you like the video. And before I keep you here any longer, let's just jump right into it. So first of all, this is £15. This has 4.4 out of 5 stars, and this has over 4,500 reviews on the Glossier website. Also, this has won a bunch of awards as well. This is also a bestseller, and it's really not hard to see why it's a bestseller. This is 3.12 grams or 0.11 ounces, and they say that this is a grooming pomade. Glossier describes the Boy Brow as a brushable creamy wax that visibly thickens, shapes, and grooms brows into place. 100% true. It gives brows soft, flexible hold and one easy swipe and doesn't stiffen or flake, which is 100% true. Even throughout the day when I'm like just casually touching my face, I never like feel it, like it's not crusty. I'm not feeling like weird flakes and stuff come down my face, which I sometimes even feel with mascaras. Like during the day you just kind of get like flakes of mascara crumbs on your face, but I don't get that with this Boy Brow. And I have worn this, I think the longest time I've worn this was almost like 10 hours or something, especially when I'm going to work. I'll put this on like 7:30 and then I won't take this off until maybe like 9-10 p.m. when I'm going to bed, and this lasts all day long. So even that's more than 10 hours, that's like 12-13 hours. Pretty impressive. This contains oleic acid, lecithin and soluble collagen to condition and moisturize the brows. We're going to get a bit more into ingredients in just a second. And then finally, this comes in 4 subtly tinted shades. This comes in blonde, brown, black and auburn plus clear, which doesn't leave a trace. This is dermatologically tested, ophthalmologically tested, and appropriate for all skin types, and it's formulated without fragrance or alcohol. This has 4 main key ingredients, which are pretty amazing, I think. So first of all, this has beeswax and carnauba wax. These are natural waxes that hold hairs in place without stiffness. Oleic acid, this is an emollient derived from olive oil that nourishes and moisturizes, very key. Lecithin, which is a natural fatty substance that adds a silky smooth texture and a subtle sheen, very true. And then finally, this has soluble collagen, a form of collagen that helps to condition and strengthen the hair fiber, which is very interesting because I think in one of my previous videos I did mention that after using this for a couple of weeks, I just started to notice that my eyebrow that had half disappeared was starting to become fuller. So I do think it must be the collagen in this just helps to plump up your lashes. Not necessarily helps to regrow them, but just helps to give them that extra bit of TLC so they can grow more and be less thin. And then in terms of how to use, which I'll be showing you in just a second, fairly straightforward. They say that you just apply the Boy Brow wand directly onto the brow hairs in short upward strokes to fluff and shape brows into place. I'm still new to this, even though I have been doing this for a month, but I'm still new to brows and the whole brow thing. So because I'm trying to find out how I want my brows to look, so sometimes I'll brush them up or sometimes I'll brush them kind of more like curved, just to see which style shape I like. The wand on it is, the wand is basically like a mascara wand, I guess, so it's very easy to use and manipulate. And I think if you wear mascara, then this is pretty much super easy to use, which I love. So yes, now that all of the boring stuff is out of the way, let's jump right into using. So we're just gonna get straight into using. I've got you guys super close so you can see everything. I've got my Boy Brow here. I wear the shade black/noir. But anyway, so we're gonna get into using. This was the eyebrow that suffered in Gran Canaria. So we can see it's looking very sparse. We've got like a mini patch going on, and it just like feathers out in an unhealthy way. This eye, my right eye, isn't as bad. It's a bit thicker, but it does taper off a bit. But my main focus is going to be on my left eye, which we can see needs a bit more work. And so I literally just like combed my hairs up Because I'm always a bit nervous to go to the end, I always focus more on the front, but then as I kind of get more familiar with handling the brush, then I just go to the end. The thing about this that I just don't get is the magic of the boy brow. Like, it's so random how it just fills in, because when you're brushing your brows up, you can't actually see it. It almost looks clear, but then after a while, you really just see the difference in your brow. I'm doing a bit too much this time. So when it comes to actually shaping the brow, what I do is I basically just take a flat end of the spoolie like that. And you see how the top is a bit uneven, and I just kind of like use that to shape. Sometimes I just use the flat end just to give me a bit of definition. Although they do have another brow pen called the Brow Flick, which actually helps you do the actual hairs a bit more easily, but I'm not there yet. And then brush up, and then also clean. I'm gonna just clean that up a bit using my mirror down here. I was a bit too close up. I think I did a bit too much. So you can see how it just looks so different to what I originally put on. And then now I'm just gonna do my second eye, but I'm gonna use my mirror this time. This is so easy. Is that? I look like a clown. I've done way too much. I've done way too much. This is literally not how I do my brows, like, at all. But you can really just see, and I think if I move backwards, they stand out. So these are the brows. They are looking very heavy, but this video is just for demonstration purposes, I guess. So this is basically what the eyebrows look like now. And what I like about the boy brow is you can go as heavy as you want, you can go as light as you want. So depending on maybe an event, if you're going to work, you don't want to look like this, you know, you can really customize it to how you want to look. Like I said, Glossier also have a brow flick pen. I think it's called the Brow Flick. It's basically an eyebrow pen which you can draw on hairs and stuff. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll see you at the end. Hi guys. I feel like we look a bit more normal right now, so let's do a close-up so we can see. So the brows, I think this isn't the best light because I'm right in front of a window, but this is what the brows look like. And if we compare them to what they look like before I put on the boy brow, there is such a big difference. And I know I did put on more than I would usually put on, so my eyebrows are looking a lot darker than they would do. But I think with my mascara on, and I've put some tinted moisturizer on, so I look a bit more normal, like they don't stand out as much. Yeah, so this is what the Glossier Boy Brow looks like, I think, especially on dark skin. I know when I was looking at a lot of reviews, I didn't really come across that many dark skinned people using the boy brow, even just so I could see which color would suit me and how it would look. Make sure you check out my tinted moisturizer video, which came out a couple of videos back. I'll have it linked down below and up in the card, so you can just see what it looks like when I'm putting on a normal amount, like what I would do for every day. And then that will show you what this can look like if you do have dark skin. I think also if you are a beginner to eyebrows, you don't know where to start, you're not as skilled as a lot of the other makeup gurus on YouTube are, then this is absolutely dummy proof, beginner friendly proof, like idiot proof. You really cannot go wrong with this, and I do like it because it means that I get to just look normal. The boy brow just has such a nice natural finish to it that you can put it on and it doesn't look like you've done anything really to your brows. I love the boy brow, it's such a great thing. So anyway guys, if you have any questions on the Glossier Boy Brow, just leave them down below. As I've said a million times, I really love this. It is completely game changing, and I wish I'd gotten onto it beforehand. It's been out for so long, I just wish I tried it sooner, but better late than never, and it's actually never too late to try out classics. And I can see why this is a classic and why this is a bestseller, because it is literally amazing. And when this finishes, I will be rebuying like 100 of these because I don't think I can ever be without it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.